Are you looking to purchase a new washer for your home, but you find yourself feeling utterly confused by looking at the rows and rows of different styles of washers out there? How do you know which one to pick? In this video, we're going to give you some guidelines in order to help you decide what's the best washer for your family. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. In order to help you make your decision, there's three things you should really be thinking about. One is capacity. Think about how big your family is and what the size of the loads are, or how often and how many loads you're doing. You may not need to buy that ultra capacity machine. You may be able to do with just a regular size tub that comes in the basic machines. So keep that in mind when you make your choice. The next thing to be thinking about is, what's the load type? The load type basically means which is the most convenient for you in doing your laundry. Do you have a machine that you're loading from the top, or would a front load fit your situation better? Next thing you want to look at is wash types. What typically you're doing more than another? What special cycles do you need? Do you need more water temperature settings? Do you need better spin speed settings? Do you want to be able to have self-clean features? Some of them even have internet capabilities in which they can connect to your phone, and you can actually control some of the cycles for your machine via your phone if that's something you're interested in. Go through what you use on a typical basis, and that will help you decide which machine is the best for you. Some other things to think about is the overall cost. And as you look down the lineup of machines, you can see they vary in price. And typically the more features they have, the higher the price. And don't always stick to a certain brand type. You may have a brand that you really like, but maybe that's too expensive for what you need. There's a lot of great machines out there, so take a look at consumer reports. Take a look at the features that they have and what you need and don't need, and certainly check around to see where you can find the best price for the machine you want. So in today's world, doing laundry is actually costing you more money than it ever did before. And that's why you're starting to see machines that give you some options as far as how much water they use and how much energy they use. This can be especially important if you're paying for your water if you're in a city situation. Or if you're in the country and you're on a well situation, you may want to have a machine that is able to do a good load of laundry with a small amount of water usage. So there you go. We hope the information we provided you will help you decide what washer fits your home best.